Good morning, friends. It's Scott and Ember and Luna off for Tuesday morning ruck. It is cloudy this morning, but amazing how fast it happens here in Nebraska. It is sun doesn't come up until I think 6:35 or 6:37, something like that. So we're getting into where it's dark in the morning as we're rucking, but that's okay because it's cool, even though it's supposed to be 90 degrees today. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Gonna get some movement in day by day. Keep calm and keto on, my friends. We'll talk to you again soon.